We'll guide you through how to use Burn tool in Photopea. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your web browser to access the Photopea website. Double-click your browser icon to open it. Click on the address bar and type Photopea. Press Enter on your keyboard. Select the top option, 𝗡𝗘𝗘𝗗𝗏, from the search results. Before you start editing, have the photo you want to edit ready. Then, select Open from Computer to access your photo. Locate the photo you prepared. Click on the photo and open it. Once the editing page loads, press Ctrl+0 to fit the canvas to your screen. Duplicate the photo by pressing Ctrl+J on the keyboard. Next, look at the toolbar menu on the left side of the screen. Find the Burn tool in the toolbar menu. If you cannot find it, right-click on it. Click on the Burn tool to use it. Open the Burn brush settings. Set the hardness value to 0 for smooth results. You can also change the range mode to your liking. Shadow mode focuses on dark areas. Midtones mode focuses on normal or average areas. Highlight mode focuses on the brightest or most illuminated areas. Combine these three modes when applying the Burn tool. Start applying the Burn tool to darken specific areas of your photo. Do it slowly and use the zoom feature to see specific details. Work with gentle strokes instead of making heavy adjustments all at once, because gradual changes create a more natural appearance and help you avoid over-darkening important parts of the image. Continue switching between shadow, midtones, and highlight modes whenever necessary, so each part of the photo receives the appropriate amount of darkening. Keep checking the overall image as you edit until you achieve the desired effect. You have now learned how to use the Burn tool in Photopea successfully. Take your time while reviewing every adjustment before finishing the edit. If an area appears too dark, reduce your brush passes and continue carefully.